using that water this okay. Okay, yeah,
You use excuse of on this side. You pour plenty water inside though. The butter, who washed it? It's here. It's around here. What do you mean by wash it? Did you wash any plate that has butter? Bring the next one. You don't know the butter plate? Look for it now, it's around there. I just use it and clean. After cleaning it, even if I kept it here. I think there's another place where it is. Look for it very well, because surprising. Go that way. Go that way. You've not still seen it. Are you sure you did not watch it? Is it not butter plate that is over here? But it's shocking that you cannot find it. You did not go out to I confirm. This is so shocking.
Look up on the fridge.
Go to the fridge side and check. Go to the fridge. This thing is not in the fridge. Can I take? Put it in the fridge for me, I'll take it home. Go to those things that is in the fridge. Put it on top of those things. This is massive soil. It's not for that thing to go. You will rinse it 3 times now. Make it for the 4 times.
I think
Come and check this, it has run.
it's time to start it.
Did you see it? God, this is shocking. This is butter plate. You say it's not the butter plate. Excuse me. Because I saw this guy washing brush. Didn't you wash brush?
Is it this one? This tiny one?
This is butter plate. See the bottle now. This is
Well,
you did,
it's not the big size. The middle size that we are using.
there's something we are looking for. Please convert another video until we find out the time. What about that waste to do butter? I'm not sure it's light on that TV. If there's light, that means it did not on well because that yam is not even boiling. I watch that thing with sieve. Go and carry sieve. So I don't lose it. Yeah, then come and carry it and wash and cut. Put in the dustbin. Hello, put in the dustbin. Check. carry it outside to go and stop it, you leave it. Bring out the jelly. Where is that small wooden spoon I used to use? Where is it? Where? Give it to me. Where is that small wooden spoon I used to use? Check that pie they are waiting for. What is that thing? Fish. Help me check it, please. Wait. This one. This is right. Oh, yeah. Slice it. After slicing it. After slicing it, go and wash it.
Not dry. Not dry.
Another 30 minutes. Yeah, it's almost done. It's remaining 7 minutes. 7 minutes. 7 minutes. I'll pack everything for you now. Just 7 minutes, it will be out. No vex, I beg. No vex. Have you consumed that? Huh? Don't discuss that soon with me. Let me wish you to send another date. Then, put inside now.
How many chicken pie?
Fine. I wish you can come this side. Let me stay there and put things inside. Let me stay there and put things. So I think Pepper will not enter this thing like this.
You need my customer here. The other one, not this part. What's wrong with this?
Then I come and move this thing away from me.
It's long.
Like a fish will not speak. This is small scale. It's small scale.
No.
But I've repaired the scale now. Why? Oh, you're carrying. Raise this thing up for me. Raise this thing up for me and check whether it's showing this thing. Raise it up. This one. Raise it up. Raise it up. Balance it. We're looking from the back. How is recording? Is it showing? Check. I'm not going to enter this thing today. I'm not going to wait. People look for it. I'm using this place. Who's on the living screen? Jesus. The living screen, I'm using to cook this soup. Who saw it? It's big like this. Let's keep it. Take. Isaac, take. Isaac, take.
Bring it. Don't get the super tail. Use it now. Bring it, Isaac. Put it there. Thank you.
Jesus. Look at this one. That guy, something is not right with it too. Huh? Please. Move it, please. Move it here. Yeah. Yeah, it's supposed to be. Hold it. Give me one of those green water. All that water. Full one like this is high.